Hello everyone, very good morning to all. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. So, today's ride update is we are going to Hampi. We are riding today with 6 people. There will be 2 Honda Highness, 1 Royal Enfield. I'm not sure whether Neelab is gonna join us. Actually, after so many years, the plan is to ride with everyone, but we never know last minute cancellations. Pretty excited as this is gonna be the first ride of the year. Let's ride, have fun. So in this ride, we'll be riding with Tripti, Anand, Raghu, Shiraj, quite few people. It is always pleasure to ride with this group, and we are called as the Biking Monks TBM. So you can follow us in Insta and share your support. So today the meetup point will be at the Pullaredi Sweets near to Shamshabad. From there, once everyone reach, we'll start to the destination. So we are going to take the Kurnool route, and I'll keep you posted shortly. What are all the details that we are gonna do. Just took the short break, quick chai break, and we are 130 kilometers away from the Kurnool. So hoping that next stop gonna be a breakfast point somewhere around close to Kurnool. Just crossing the second toll. Second toll's done. Hey, hey. I think at Hampi the weather is gonna be cold. So the minimum ride duration it is showing is somewhere around close to 9 hours. Our plan is to at least reach by 2 p.m. so that freshen up and head to some historical places or Badami caves, whatever it might be, and chill in the evening.
है ना, he is the culprit. Because of him we have reached Kurnool आधा घंटा late.
So we just had breakfast at Mr. Idli Dosha. The breakfast, I mean, the chutney is nice. So from here it's 226 kilometers to cover. So the maximum, the ETA is 1:51 p.m. So if we take, even if we take multiple breaks, at least max to max by 3 we should reach the Hampi Nature Stay. That is what the lays that we can plan, and everyone is geared up, and that's Mr. Anand Kumaja. Every time, most of in his videos, every time I used to appear. This time he is a special guest on my channel. Just because of him, 30 minutes delayed. हाँ स्पेशल गेस्ट, हाँ दोनों करना है। ठीक है चले। ओके ऑल सेट। हाँ ब्लू आर्मर कनेक्टेड है, इट्स कनेक्टेड। We have covered 30 kilometers, and the ones who are traveling from Hyderabad to Hampi, usually the Google Map shows us via Raichur, and the other route is from Karnool. Raichur, if we take Raichur road, there will be there's more speed breakers and potholes, but this route is good. Also, we are currently on Karnool to Ballari road. I think I have noticed the fog light lamp. I think it's the nut that has loosened. I think I need to fix that up. I think I have to tighten that. Again, I just don't want to take any chance because this is the new fog light lamps that I have ordered and got that fixed. And I think both the fog lights are a little bit vibrating. Oh, people are selling munjalud. Thinking to stop here or let's just go ahead and meet the people whenever we are taking any break. I can fix that up again. That's how you have to. अरे पोजीशन अच्छा है, रिकॉर्ड हो गया। We have almost covered close to how many kilometers? 290 kilometers from Hyderabad, and you see, you guys able to hear any song? That's from the Monster. तृप्ति के गाड़ी से आ रहा है वो। He just bought that from US and ठीक है बस कर। हाँ चलो। So and then now finally everyone are at the same point. Siraj is like उसका गाड़ी का the brakes are not functioning that great. If he is stopping here, if he is trying to brake at this particular point, he is gonna stop at that particular point. Oh my god. See, we have all the vehicles ahead of us. The lineup looks damn great. Wow, we are riding through the fields. It's very beautiful, scenic drive. I think it's a paddy field. Paddy field, wow. Lovely. So fueled up and all set to start again. 83 kilometers to be covered. Chalo. Acha, only we both left. Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? तो बैटरी चेंज करने के लिए इतना हंगामा करना पड़ रहा क्या? ठीक है, देख एडवांटेज. चलो चलो, वी आर गेटिंग लेट. नहीं नहीं नहीं, चलो चलो. So guys, they're just 1 kilometer away ahead of us. So you see this bike, guys? That is replica of my bike. See, I can proudly say that I have inspired Anand. I have inspired him a lot. Now that he is inspiring me to spend a lot on all the high-end models, accessories, wherein I am not gonna do that. I think they should be somewhere around here. For them it's like 71 kilometers. For us it is still showing 73. चलो 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 चलो. अरे वाह, क्या बोल दिया, सुपर. Could be. One kilometer, just 1 kilometer. I mean, this Google Maps is showing something. I think it is showing the same route for everyone. I'm hoping that. Trupti is like, can we just stop at Kritinga करके? मैं बोल रहा था कि भाई कृतिका, एनीथिंग इज ओके फॉर मी, बट कृतिका में अगर सर्विस लेट हो गया तो कभी कभी रिपीटेड में लेट होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा रहता है ना. एक सेकेंड, कॉल आ रहा. हेलो, 72 बता रहे हैं. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड पे अयप्पा स्वामी का बस रुका हुआ है. वो क्रॉस कर दिया ना आप लोग? हाँ, आ रहा हूँ आ रहा हूँ. है क्या लाइन में? अच्छा, कॉल कट कर दिया क्या तृप्ति ने? नहीं, अभी उन्होंने कॉल किया एंड ही इज लाइक दे हैव स्टॉप्ड समवेयर नियर. हाँ वही, कुड बी एनीवेयर ऑन दिस वे. हाँ, इसीलिए इंडिकेटर डाल चुका हूँ मैं. ठीक है, अपन तेलंगाना टीएस से है. गाड़ी पूरा टीएस का है, लेकिन ये क्या, ये लोग कहीं पे नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. अभी 71 हो गया, लेकिन ये लोग नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. हाँ, दिख गया. On our YouTube channel, see that replica of my bike. He has copied my Vardhanchika handlebar. Everything, all jugaad. Not at all acceptable, Anand. So the train is coming from our right. इंडियन रेलवेज कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? गुंतकल, गुंतकल से गुंतकल, गुंतकल से कहा ट्रिपल एस हुब्बाली, हुबली, हुबली टू गुंतकल. मैं आपके गाड़ी इधर कम से कम इधर तो रख सकते हैं ना. ले लो मेरा गाड़ी में जितना भी सामान है चुरा लो जैसा रख दिया आप. So we have stopped for a lunch. The lineup looks crazy. Chala. So we have huts here. So we're gonna have lunch inside the hut.
Hey friends. Hello friends. How are you friends?
Good friends.
Order दे दिया friends.
दे दिया प्योर वेज दिया इस बार और रोटी दिया भाई.
कितना मस्त है. Guys, the food here is amazing. We have ordered. कौन सा? Oh my goodness.
गूगल में इमेजेस आते हैं ना.
हाँ वही तो.
वैसे दिखा.
अच्छा कैसे भी वेस्ट हो रहा ना. Let's go. Weekend पे.
We had very good lunch. All the items served very quick, and we have 68 kilometers to the final destination, and the estimated time is around 3:22, which means it just got delayed. And you see right up there with the orange flag. I think now it is visible. So people call this as Anjanadri Hill, where Lord Hanuman took birth. जय बोल बजरंग बली की जय. हाँ अच्छा तो वो कहाँ पे है कहते. So the place where we went, no, it was when the same guy has the other property somewhere around close to 4.5 kilometers from that property. So we are heading to that place, as in we are tired and everything is being delayed, but it's okay. Nature will always cure us. So let's see. I think we are ये कोरकल का साइड होगा शायद. my god. He said it's fourth property. It's not here. एडवेंचर पे एडवेंचर हो रहा है आज. Sunny guest house. Where is he going? Sunny guest house में ना. Hampi. Guest house. Oh my god.
Finally, that's Siraj bhai. So this is our bike lineup, and that's the landscape, and that is our stay. After all the hurdles and the sleepless night, so we have reached here. And we have reached to other location of the same property, and we have almost reached here. We just need to go freshen up and just go and explore around. This is our stay tonight. We just booked a bunker bed wherein it can accommodate 7 to 8 people, and that's the loo. हच बट इस पे एसी नहीं है. नहीं, बिना एसी का तो कैसा. So we have freshened up and I took a couple of drone shots, and we are heading to the Virupaksha temple, and that is where the Virupaksha temple is. So for that we need to take the boat and cross the river. फोन गिरा. गया कंटेंट गया. कंटेंट छोड़ो, जिंदगी गया. नहीं तो कूदना पड़ेगा. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Virupaksha temple. Sunset. Amazing sunset. This is what I crave for. नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ, पानी वाले इधर दे दो. Coconut water for hydration. Much needed thing. As in we are riding from since morning. This is the therapy for the hydration. I'm a straw here. Going for the darshan. Gajana. नहीं आता. हमारे कुछ खाने को दिया था तो, लेकिन इधर आने के बाद कुछ भी नहीं दिया तो पड़ेगा.